Hello everyone, this is Sir Chris. This video is for Flyers 1A. Alright, let's see your Family and Friends 5 class book. Unit 12, Lesson 3 until Lesson 4, page 116 until 117. You see, there is a dialogue about Professor and Chip. The dialogue you can read by yourself. Nah, let's see part 2. The passive, past simple. Look at the pattern. Past simple, passive. The pattern is was or were plus past participle. For example, you were invented to cook and clean. You see the active form. My new machine did the shopping. Passive, the shopping was done by my new machine. Ya, what is the active? Mesin baru saya itu melakukan shopping. Oke. Nah, the passive, the shopping was done by new machine. Shoppingnya, belanjanya itu dilakukan oleh mesin baru saya. I give you example. My sister broke my toy. Saudara perempuan saya merusak mainan saya. And then that's active or passive. My sister broke my toy. Merusak is active. If we change into passive, my toy was broken by my sister. Okay? Remember ya, the pattern was or were plus past participle. If was for I, he, she, it. If were, you, we, they. I have already explained to you about past simple, passive when we discussed about grammar. Nah, see part 3. Part 3, please use circle. Please use circle the answer. It can be active, it can be passive. If active, using verb to. Look at the example. My new machine did. Did is verb 2. Passive was done, was or were plus verb 3 or past participle. Part 4 using past simple passive. Okay, easy ya. See this one. See next lesson, lesson 4. Part 1 you can read by yourself. Q&A. What is the text about? The text is about what? Okay, ya, you can answer by yourself and read by yourself for part 1. See part 2. Passive questions. English is spoken in the USA. If we change into question, that's English is spoken in the USA. It is passive sentence. If we change into passive questions, we switch the to be or is in this case with the object. The object is English. Is English spoken in the USA? The second example, you were given a present. Were you given a present? This picture was painted by my sister. Who was this picture painted by? Nah, look at the next to the first until third example. See the WH question. Who was the telephone invented by? What is the meaning? Telepon itu ditemukan oleh siapa? When was the first telephone call made? When is kapan? Kapan telepon call pertama ya? The meaning is kapan pertama kali menelepon itu dilakukan? Oke. Where was the first mobile phone used? Di mana HP pertama kali digunakan? What was invented in the 20th century? Apa yang diciptakan, ya. Oke, apa yang diciptakan, apa yang ditemukan di abad ke-20. Nah, see the pattern, ya. Passive questions, ya, to be plus object plus past participle. If with WH question, ya, 5W 1H is, ya, you know lah, where, what, which, who, ya, and then how, plus to be plus object plus past participle. Nah, the to be, don't forget, if present using is MR, if past using was were. Oke ya. Nah, see part 3 ya. If you forget the pattern, ya, the pattern is easy to be remembered loh, ya. Nih, for example, who was this picture painted by? Ya, who is the WH question, and then was is the to be, and then the object is this picture. Painted is the past participle. Part 3, number 1 until number 6, you can choose which answer is correct. And then part 4, you know lah ya, if who is for person, right? Ya, who is for person, and then where is for place, tempat. When is for time. Okay, if what is about, what is apa, ya, you know lah ya, what is it about. Number 4, speaking, ask and answer. Okay, speaking we discuss lah ya. So there are 5 items in on the 5 pictures, ya, 5 pictures and 5 items: television, plane, electric light, car, and camera. The first picture, who was the camera invented by? Kamera ditemukan oleh siapa? It was invented by Johann Zahn. When was it invented? Kapan ditemukan? It was invented in 1685. If next picture, what? Thomas Edison. Who was? What is that? Number picture 2. Who was the electric light invented by? And then the answer what? It was invented by Thomas Edison. Next, when was it invented? It was invented in 1879. Next, car brands. Who was the car invented by? It was invented by car brands. When was it invented? It was invented in 1885. Next, the Wright brothers. What is that? Plane. Who was the plane invented by? It was invented by the Wright brothers. Yeah, Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur. Ya, Wright bersaudara. When was it invented? It was invented in 1903. Ya, 1903. Last one. Who was the television invented by? It was invented by John Logie Baird. When was it invented? It was invented in 1925. Alright, easy ya. Okay, as usual, this one ya. Okay, if you have any English schoolwork that you need help to do, you can capture the picture to me alongside with your work ya today ya. Okay. Thank you guys for listening and watching to my explanation. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy.